Blending mode. Blending in video editing refers to the process of combining multiple video clips, images, or layers to create a seamless and cohesive visual effect. This technique is used to make transitions smoother, add creative visual effects, or combine different elements in a video to achieve a desired look. To demonstrate blending in CapCut, first, import your video clips by clicking on the Import button, which will bring up an interface where you can select your desired clips. After selecting your clips, click the Open button. Once the video files are imported into the editor, drag and drop them onto the timeline. Select the B-roll track and navigate to the editing panel. Click on the Mode button and then select Overlay, which will show changes in the video. Next, return to the editing panel and decrease the opacity to 53%. You will now be able to see the final result of the blended video.